Before moving on to discuss the complex number in Python, let's discuss it in maths. Topic is complex number. A complex number consists of a real part and imaginary part. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. When taken together, both of these are called a complex number. Imaginary numbers when squared give a negative result. Normally, this doesn't happen because when we square a positive number, we get a positive result. For example, what is the square root of 4? Normally, it should be 2. Positive 2. But when 2 is positive, we can get 4 by multiplying 2 by 2. The square root of the number may be positive or negative because we can get this 4 via this 2 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2 equal to 4. Therefore, the square root of the number may be positive or negative. But normally we use positive numbers for the square root. The unit imaginary number is I. This part is imaginary number. This part is real number. The unit of imaginary number is I. Which is the square root of minus 1. I equal to square root of minus 1. When we square I mean this. When we square I, we can get minus 1. Remember this and this. The reason when we multiply square root by square root, minus 1 by minus 1, square root of minus 1, equal minus 1. Multiply square root by square root, you can get its number without this symbol. It was disappearing when you multiply square root by square root. And let's move on to the Python codes. If you want to print complex number, you can use this without specifying your variable. And you can print it. You can see 5j. As well as if you want to specify your variable as complex number, you should use complex keyword for specify your variable. You can get your data types using type function. See, your data type is complex number. Using iMac, before see it, I change the value like this. Now this is a real part, this is an imaginary part. Therefore, when you include the x in your parenthesis, you can see this value. But if you want to print only your imaginary part, you can use iMac keyword. Now you can get your imaginary part only. As well as if you want to get the if you want to get only real number, you can use real keyword. Now you can get your real part as 2. I'm going to solve a problem in Python. Multiply this is the problem we need to solve. The output is this, you can see. How can we do this in maths? Let's move on to see it. What is the question? 2 plus 5j multiplied by 4 plus 7j. 4 plus 7j. In maths, you should use I for I to represent your imaginary part, but in Python we use J to represent your imaginary part. Okay. Now you should multiply first part 2 and 4, 8. After that you can multiply outers. This 14j. And after that you should multiply inners. Value 20j. After that you should multiply last numbers 35 square j. Square j is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 35 plus 8 equal to minus 27 plus, now you should add these values together, 34j. This is the answer. Show our answer. In the adding two complex numbers, you can see this is the output. How can we do this? I just remove this. Plus 4 plus 7j. In this case, you should add the numbers separately. You should add real numbers. Sorry. You should add first real numbers like this, and you should add complex number together. It gives 12j. This is the answer, not J. In maths, you should use I. But Python use J. Thanks for watching. If you get something in this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.